Better Western Mass rolling on now with the Popcorn Corner. I'm Taylor Jacobs. That's Kim Wheeler. She runs the Agawam Cinemas here, and we are inside the theaters. Got our popcorn, got our sodas. We're ready to watch some movies. And actually tonight, Kim, you have a cool event planned, huh?
We are really, really excited about this one.
It Too, folks. It's premiering this weekend. You have the folks from Demented FX coming on.
They have donated some VIP pass tickets to their event, which we're going to raffle off. We're going to do some giveaways. We've got a lot of really fun Pennywise-centered giveaways. So
and these folks are scary, the guys over at Demented FX.
I'm too chicken to go, but I've heard that it's terrifying.
It's frightening. I've at least seen them through the lens, at least, when we've done pieces on them. Now, It Too. What are you expecting here with this one? We're years after the first one. Now they're adults, the kids. Where are we going to be?
I think the first one was such a massive hit, and it ended on such a cliffhanger. You can't not come see the second one. You can't not see Chapter 2.
Pennywise is still out there.
He is, and he's probably very angry.
Very angry, very angry. And the cast here is actually looking really good. Everywhere from James McAvoy to Jessica Chastain. I think we're actually going to be seeing some spots as well in the movie of the kids as well, possibly when they were younger. Maybe
like
a few little flashbacks as well. But overall, and then Bill Skarsgård as Pennywise, it's just like frightening.
Terrifying.
You see that trailer when it ends and he's just laughing uncontrollably? It's like, what is that noise he's making?
Yep, you don't forget that.
No, I'm going to hear it when I close my eyes at night. So you have this big event here. It's planned for tonight. Special type of screening then, in a way.
Yeah, we do a big premiere show. So it's like the first one that comes out prior to the weekend crowd. So this one we see a lot of really hardcore fans that come out, or people who want to see it and not have a spoiler on social media and the next day before they get a chance to see it. So we go all out for the premieres here.
And it really kind of stands alone in the box office itself. You got Lion King, that's going to be on the tail end. I know you're getting sick of it almost in a way, huh? You're seeing a lot of those. Hobbs and Shaw probably going to be gone at this point here. So we think it's going to win the box office. Once again, big special screening here happening tonight. Can people still get tickets for this? Yes,
we still have tickets available. It's highly recommended, especially for all weekend shows and the premiere, that they purchase in advance, because this is going to be packed. So agawamcinemas.org, you can grab them. You can even stop into the box office to grab them if you don't want to do online ticketing. But it is highly recommended to purchase ahead of time.
Yeah, there's nothing like interacting with people there in that respect. And you can also call as well. What's the number here as well for that?
Yep, so it would be 413-285-7162.
And then we've also got a link to the Agawam Cinemas over on our website, folks. This is how we'll be watching It Too, everybody. Good luck in the theater.